Hi, do you want to know what is the best email marketing service? I make over $85,000 a year with this service and I've been using it for 6 years. It has powerful tools to develop and automate engaging email campaigns. In this short video, I'm going to review to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but that makes it really the best in the best email marketing service category. And now, with a visual example, I'm going to show you everything in detail. So let's jump to business.
No matter the size and type of business, marketing is very important in growing the business. Marketing creates awareness of your product to your target market. Email marketing is marketing that requires the use of electronic mail in communicating with your customers. It's a profitable means to reach out to your potential customer. This email marketing platform is a perfect example in that regard. It appears that this email marketing software is one of the leading email marketing hosts used across the globe. This email marketing platform is an outstanding choice for any size of business. Reviewed email marketing platform is supported on Windows, Mac, and any web-based devices. It's cloud-hosted, supports the English language, affordable and easy to use. It's suitable for anyone with an audience. Octopus, as the name implies, is an impressive and creative email marketing platform that gives you everything you need to get the most of your email marketing. It supercharges your email marketing campaigns. You probably already guessed the name of this service. That's right, it's Email Octopus. This 5-star rated email marketing platform is trusted and loved by more than 44,000 organizations across the globe. Over 9 billion and still counting emails have been sent through this platform. Companies like Tedium, PubBitch, Dovetail, and Dreamwheel Records are proud users of Email Octopus. A customer case study was carried out and all the customers gave an exceptional remark about the email marketing platform. They had positive things to say about the email marketing platform. They said Email Octopus provided them everything they ever wanted in an email marketing platform. One word was used to qualify Email Octopus: profitable. Email Octopus allows users to save money on email marketing without sacrificing deliverability with a cost-effective email platform, easily sending your emails through Amazon's powerful and affordable email service. For effective email marketing, Email Octopus is your best bet. Pricing option by Email Octopus. Email marketing is one of the cheapest means to reach out to your target market. Email Octopus email marketing platform proves that with their affordable pricing rate. You can advertise and promote your business with no worries of having a hole in your pocket. The email marketing platform offers free email marketing until you decide to go pro. This email marketing platform comes with affordable pricing plans to suit your business. When placed alongside another marketing platform, the Email Octopus platform is less expensive. Its starter package offers free service, including a campaign-only marketing and basic email support. A list of 200,000 in Email Octopus would cost you $395 per month, making them the top low-cost alternative to their competitors. You can sign up for free and still have access to lots of features. Its starter plan comes with up to 10,000 emails per month and 2,500 subscribers. The starter plan also allows users to add their HTML email statistics stored for 30 days. Email Octopus Pro allows you to take full control of your email design, store statistics forever, provide priority support, and the most interesting part is that you can cancel at any time. Email Octopus features. Email Octopus Pro provides attention-grabbing features that you need to build a top-notch email campaign. This email marketing tool includes integration, easy automation, beautiful responsive design, real-time analytics, and grow your inventory with custom form. Each feature and its sub-feature will be discussed below. Integration. Email Octopus incorporates together with 400 plus products and services through Zapier. Users can maximize their sales on any platform by connecting all their favorite applications to the email marketing platform. Email Octopus email marketing platform gives users the luxury to connect the social media applications they use every day to transform their followers to clientele.
Benchmark is another interesting service that provides a rich assortment of email marketing features available for free. Benchmark has 24/7 tech support, even for free plan users, as well as dozens of short but very useful tutorial videos in the service's Help Center. In addition, and this will be especially interesting for anyone who's not a native speaker of English, Benchmark is one of the few email marketing services that provides support in multiple languages. Dutch, Polish, Turkish, and Swedish are currently available. However, if you're going to use this service for free, you may not get access to some particularly useful features. Drag and drop editor lets you move widgets and images like in a puzzle where all the shapes fit. Live editing allows you to directly edit your email template, get an idea of how it will look using live preview, and update changes as you edit. Reply emails read on a computer, tablet, or smartphone will always look great and make an impression. Photo editor: if you don't have Photoshop, don't worry. You can edit your images directly in the email editor, where you can also easily add effects, messages, colors, and fonts. In addition, we noticed that the preview section does not provide an option to preview how mobile visitors will see your message. This service provides a preview for full-screen devices. This is why you should double-check your mobile template or pre-use an online mobile test to make sure that emails you send will actually work. Benchmark support will do their best to help you. They have created dozens of short but helpful videos with contact information at the end of each clip. Their technical support is unmatched, and in our opinion, this is the best we've reviewed. Always free, this is a great option for startups looking to test email marketing for the first time. However, this option does not determine the numbers of emails you can send per month. However, you're not risking anything. As with many other free plans, in this option you will be limited by the number of outgoing emails your subscribers subscribe through the Benchmark registration form. Keep in mind that you will not be able to import any contacts and that you will be limited to 10,000 emails per month. Medium rate: the medium rate offers different pricing options based on the number of target subscribers who follow you. The medium plan is best used for those whose subscriber lists range from 600 to 1,500 customers. This plan allows you to run multiple campaigns on your list and gives you access to all the main features. If you need help, you can get full support via email and phone. Extra large plan: planning to send over 100,000 emails a month? Benchmark will make sure your emails go straight to your inbox. Plus, you will have access to every feature and be able to manage sub-accounts. If you want to upgrade to the free plan or just stop sending emails at any time, there will be no penalties. Just make sure you do it before the end of the month. Massive plan: designed for companies sending over 1 million emails monthly and costs between $4,500 and $5,000 per month. There are over 220 of them, and you can filter by type, industry, holiday, and so on. Although you can later switch templates for email messages, you will lose all changed content. If you want to get the most out of your email marketing, you'll need more automation than a simple autoresponder. I'm very impressed with the Benchmark has to offer for advanced automation and how easy it is to build workflows. To save time, you can choose from 10 ready-made templates. Alternatively, you can start from scratch.
This service markets itself as an automation platform that offers email marketing, CRM, SMS marketing, and more. To see if this platform can optimize my marketing efforts, I signed up for the cheapest plan. Overall, I was impressed with the marketing automation and the achievability of results, but found the reporting dashboard missing, especially for advanced marketers. Service describes itself as a customer experience automation platform and not just an email marketing service, and that definition literally forced me to sign up for an account. I was looking for a tool to automate my agency's marketing campaigns, and the platform seemed like the perfect solution. My agency could have taken advantage of more advanced automation tools, but in the past I have found that other email marketing services make it too complex, confusing, and time-consuming to set up workflows. I was eager to see if I ran into the same issues with this service. I also thought about trying one of the more expensive ActiveCampaign plans, which also offer SMS marketing, site messaging, and landing page creation. These plans include a complete set of marketing tools for mid-sized businesses, but for smaller companies like mine who want to focus on sending high-impact emails, they are overloaded with features. Instead, I decided to test the cheapest plan as part of my email marketing comparison project. I was also delighted to know that the platform supports over a dozen languages, including French, German, Indonesian, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. Service also offers a free trial for 14 days, which is not much of course, and only gives a glimpse of the service. As you might have guessed, this service is called ActiveCampaign, and I tested it to see if its automation features match the advertising claims and if my investment was worth it. Simple editor with limited features. Editing templates was very easy and intuitive. However, the lack of options built into the template editor was a bit annoying. The HTML editor can be found in the template editor, which gives power users unlimited options to edit any template in HTML mode. Overall, we were happy with the navigation on the website as everything was easy to find. ActiveCampaign support representatives are always ready to help and always available. The information center is rich in training materials to help you familiarize yourself not only with ActiveCampaign but with email marketing in general. ActiveCampaign support is there to support the success of your marketing campaign. All ActiveCampaign's plans are fully functional. Enjoy a 30-day free trial. Although limited to 250 contacts and throughput of 1,250 emails per month, it is fully featured and allows you to fully experience the world of email marketing. After the end of the trial period, you can choose from 4 tariffs. Light, enjoy unlimited email sending and newsletter volume. Plus, expand your campaign with tons of advanced features like CRM with sales automation and contact tracing, and more. Professional includes all the benefits of the Lite and Plus plans, plus on-site messaging and attribution options and more. Enterprise includes all the benefits of the Professional plan, plus a custom mail server domain and an add-on account, free design services, free social statistics data, phone support, and SLA to keep things running smoothly, among other features. ActiveCampaign allows you to interact with a customer via email, website, or mobile phone, generating personalized offers based on their interests. All information about the buyer, including the history of visits, is collected in one place, which allows you to receive more accurate insight. Auto-replies, trigger-based message threads, and setting up sending by time zone are available. A set of templates and drag-and-drop editors simplify the process of creating the perfect message, and the test option will help you determine the most effective one.